Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
And we're back.
We are back.
And what are you voguing on?
I don't know. I'm in my Vogue phase right now. Just in my Vogue phase, babe. Anyways, okay, so we're back to the dirty name drinks.
What do you have in store for us today, dog?
Probably something the cameraman's gonna have to bleep out.
Ooh, Chad.
Like
what?
So this is called the StarF shot drink. StarF. Now what is a StarF?
Bleep.
I don't know.
Bleep.
So I'm not gonna say that anymore, but I would like to know what that is because
I'm gonna say StarF.
Right.
Y'all know what it is. Facebook don't ban us.
And it's a little, so initially when we were looking at this, we were confused. Is this a shot or a drink because it has shot in the title? I think it's because you can adapt it to a shot if you would like to.
Oh, so it's adaptable.
It's adaptable. But we're gonna make the drink version, the cocktail version, okay? And it's pretty simplistic. You have your watermelon pucker, some Crown Royal, and you're gonna top it off with Red Bull. It gives you wings. Oh, maybe that's why they call it Star Boo 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 Boo. Because you're gonna be in the stars. Maybe? No? Okay.
It's probably followed up leading from that corn martini that you got us do. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, whatever. You're a hater, but that's okay. Okay, so we have our shakers with ice, and we are gonna get started with this. Let's start with our watermelon pucker. When is the last time you had watermelon pucker?
I don't know.
It's been a very long time.
Very.
I feel like this is gonna taste like watermelon Jolly Rancher, but whatever. So it's 2 ounces of this guy.
2 ounces.
2 ounces. And this
Royale.
1 ounce of our Crown Royal.
1 ounce. Let's get it.
What'd you think Crown Royal was?
I thought it was brandy. I don't know why I thought it was brandy. It's not like somebody told me it was brandy. I just thought it was brandy. Like,
You just made an assumption.
yeah, but it's whiskey.
There you go. Brittany has hers all together. Is we're gonna shake this and put it into our martini glass. You can put this into whatever glass you want to. We're just
That's y'all business. It goes
Reason
all
what we
down,
got.
any kind of way you like it.
We are using what we got. Shake until chilled. Yeah. Okay. So we'll go ahead and
Pour this.
well, we definitely get that watermelon pucker.
Definitely looks like, hey yo, my drink might be potent.
What happened to yours? Where is the rest of it?
Cause you got Big Bertha, look at this. Junior
Girl,
Hot Weenie.
something
This
is
the
not-
Happy Meal, and this is the
The
big...
math is not mathing. The math is not mathing. Did you put 2 ounces of the watermelon pucker?
Yes. And 1 ounce of the Crown Royal. And I use this. So,
I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna top off with, it says about 4 ounces of the Red Bull, but just, don't put 4 ounces. I feel like if you put 4 ounces in that, it's gonna dilute it.
that's enough.
Okay, so Breezy clearly has the baby version of this drink. I don't know what happened.
We gotta stir it. Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna stir. This is just to fully incorporate the Red Bull. I'm not, full disclosure, I'm not like a huge Red Bull fan. Like I don't really drink a lot of energy drinks these days.
I
but
don't. I just go straight to Starbucks, give me my fix.
The trend is definitely, to mix your cocktail with a little energy drink. Okay.
Yeah.
So anyways, we're gonna try this. So let's see.
Smells
It smells watermelon-y. Well, friends, that tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Yeah. It's not. I'm gonna let you start. I have thoughts.
This for me is it's not overpowering for a watermelon drink. So I'm gonna give this a solid 8. Okay. It's not my fave, but it's definitely like something that I can sip on and drink with no problem. So I'm gonna give this a solid 8. What about you, sis?
Yeah, this is a 7.5 to an 8 for me. So the reason I have a little half step down is not necessarily knocking the drink. I just don't typically go for the fruity drinks.
Yeah.
And okay, before you come at me, not you specifically, but the audience, I realized that the Porn Star Martini was a fruity drink, but this is giving me like Jolly Rancher fruity, which was a little bit different than the kind of tropical.
Had that forwardness with the liquor too.
Yeah. So it's definitely not bad. And I could see how as a shot, this would be really good.
Yep. This is like juice. It's like Kool-Aid.
Yeah, like I don't know if I want a whole drink of this, but if I'm saying, okay, I want to do a couple shots of this or something, and I'm not trying to get like toasted, this is probably a really good alternative to your typical like tequila or just straight like alcohol shots.
Fair. Just be careful if you drink this. Just be careful.
You do have to be careful because
you don't
obviously it's gonna like if you're having too many of these, the sweetness is gonna have you sick. So just always remember when you are consuming your alcohol, the sweeter the drink, the more your stomach be bubbling. Okay.
Oh, my stomach.
Oh, my stomach. Okay. Like, so just listen.
Or you could be in a bush after brunch or something, or shimmying on down the sidewalk.
I'ma just be honest.
Twerking down the sidewalk. You know that gift where that girl is like
Lord.
down the sidewalk.
I know exactly the one.
Walking down the sidewalk. I'm just saying.
I'ma just be honest. Once you hit 30, your stomach is just not as stable as it used to be, okay? So we just need to be stewards of our gastrointestinal area, okay? So just maybe when you are consuming your favorite beverages, be cognizant of if you are lactose intolerant or you're drinking something that is a little bit more fruit forward, because nobody wants to be on the toilet or in a bush at the end of the night, okay? Okay, so just keep that in mind. Still tasty. For my non-alcoholic drinkers or like those that are like,
this is it. Just be careful.
Just not into strong drinks, this your joint.
But don't say when y'all get hemmed up was less talk for.
One drink though, because again, y'all can't handle your liquor. One of these. Uno. Okay? So,
wait, put that warning at the bottom, cameraman. This warning is for all people. Please do not
speed it up.
Yeah,
you know what it is. You know what it is.
Yeah,
but it's good. And the other thing is, what I'll say is, I was worried about having to taste the Red Bull. You really actually don't. The watermelon pucker takes it all. Okay, so if you were worried about tasting the Red Bull, I don't even taste the Crown for real. Do you taste the Crown? I don't taste no Crown. The watermelon pucker takes over, and I realize it's 2 ounces to the 1 of Crown Royal, but like you really don't taste the Crown Royal at all. So
I'm done.
What? Heifer. Well, you had a sip.
It was juice. Juicy.
Say something else so I can drink this.
Juicy. That's exactly what came to my mind.
Oh wait, I was dancing. Go ahead.
I don't know the words for my time. Sorry about that.
Damn.
Gina. Damn.
I'm gassy.
She keeps smelling and we gonna keep telling. You like, comment, and subscribe all the time. And
Return. Oh, I thought you was gonna say something else. Hey, yo. Why? I thought you was gonna say Return of the Mac. Anyways, Return of Guzzleton. Yeah, because you're definitely down that.
But you over here gassy with the assies. Smelling and telling. like, comment, and subscribe. You know what? She may not need
I didn't say blow it out your ass like Luda.
It's not coming out
She
my
need
ass.
them tums. I like when that booty go.
No,
But I will say if it had more of that Irish cream in it, I'd be like, blah, 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 blah.
Oh, my stomach.
Oh, my stomach bubbling.
What did that guy do? I forgot his name, but shout out to you cracking
Hey,
me up
yo.
on social media.
Hey,
You go
yo.
with the little Fargo.
He be like, oh, my stomach bubbling. Okay, hold on.
But shout out to you. I forgot your name offhand. I'm sorry.
We gonna find you.
We gonna find you.
We're gonna find you.
We gonna find
Let me finish this real quick. I mean, I might as well finish it. Listen, it's basically watermelon Jolly Rancher in a drink.
Kool-Aid, Capri Sun,
Definitely, it's like an adult Capri Sun.
adult beverage.
That's actually what it is because literally, it's mostly watermelon pucker. There's no
Pucker.
whiskey.
Pucker. What is a pucker?
I don't know. How much in here?
15.
Sweet and oh.
Sweet and sour schnapps.
What is a schnapp anyway, y'all?
Schnazzer. But yeah.
Oh, they say.
What is that? Silver tequila.
Oh no, that's if you want to make a melon Rita. Child, I thought we had sealed our fate, child. No, okay. I was trying to look for the amount of alcohol on here.
It says 15.
Oh, you said that.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh,
Oh,
like,
30 proof was 15% volume alcohol.
okay, all right.
But anyway, she keeps smelling. I'm gonna keep telling that you need to like, subscribe, and comment, and ring that bell. And guess what? And let me know how pretty I am.
What is up with this? Like, okay, this must be your beauty queen shit, because you about to be back on the pageant and stuff, and so now we over here. How pretty am I? How pretty am I? Where's your sash? Where's your crown? Like, I feel like we're ready for the next iteration of Breezy.
You're
What's
right.
up?
I get a Gertrude, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, no.
Woo. I'm in my soft era.
She's in her soft and luxurious era. I added that part.
You see, I got the hat on today, you know what I'm saying?
She said, new year,
New
new
me.
me.
I'm tired of y'all judging me. I got those comments. Yeah.
Well, I mean, to be honest, okay, I know we said 2023 is the past, but y'all, them episodes had me weak, bruh. Sis
I
was
knew I
toe
was
up from the
lit.
floor up. We need the mic.
What was
you
that?
gotta bring the mic
What
next
was
time.
that? What was that? Like that episode where I was like, woo pass, woo child, woo child. I just got bad. Pass, woo bad, woo child, woo child. All right. I knew
Hey,
it right
yo.
then and there. Like I saw it in my eyes glistening that I was done.
I was like,
I was done.
oh, she done.
I was done. But like I said, I'm about to make this a commercial. She keeps smelling, and I'm gonna keep telling
You know what?
like,
It's only 'cause
comment,
I said
and
gas.
subscribe. You still got it. I can smell you. My bad.
It's not coming out of my pores. What are you smelling?
out your booty hole. All right.
So are you smelling my booty? What is happening? I don't know. What is happening?
This is just a nasty segment. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's go. We'll see you again, and we got a new hat. Bye. Bye.